morning class. So for today's lesson, we are going to learn the phrase there was, there were, there wasn't, and there weren't. So what do they mean? Apa maksud perkataan-perkataan ini? So if you look at these words, okay, was, were, wasn't, weren't, semua menunjukkan past tense. Okay, past tense bermaksud sesuatu yang telah berlaku. Okay, yang telah berlaku dan sekarang tiada lagi. Okay, for example, if you look at this one, there was, there were. Okay, itu bermaksud terdapat dan menunjukkan sekarang tiada lagi. So it only happened long time ago and now no more. Okay, there was, there were, itu bermaksud terdapat. And why is that there is a difference between there was and there were? Apa perbezaan antara there was dan there were? Okay, there was adalah untuk singular noun, okay, which mean one only, and there were is to show plural noun, lebih daripada satu. Okay, I will explain more on this. Okay, let's look at this picture together. Okay, Hilltown noun and Hilltown 50 years ago. Okay, sekarang dan 50 tahun lepas. Okay, if you look at these two picture, ada perbezaan dia. Okay, perbezaan dia. Okay, so if you look carefully, okay, there are differences, terdapat perbezaan. Okay, so we are going to use the word there was and there were. So the first one, there was an ice cream shop at Hilltown 50 years ago. So look at this picture, gambar ini. Okay, Hilltown 50 years ago. So there was an ice cream shop. So ini dia, ice cream shop. Tapi itu masa dahulu, sekarang tiada lagi. So dan dia cuma satu sahaja. Okay, satu kedai ice cream sahaja. Dan dia cuma terdapat masa 50 tahun dahulu. So we use the word there was. Okay, terdapat sebuah, tapi itu cuma dahulu sahaja, bukan sekarang. So we use the word there was. Kenapa was? Sebab dia satu sahaja, only one ice cream shop. Okay, so there was. Okay, next, there were many trees at Hilltown 50 years ago. Yes, if you look at Hilltown 50 years ago, okay, banyak pokok. Okay, sekarang kurang sudah ataupun tiada langsung. So we use there were. Okay, kenapa were? Sebab lebih daripada satu. Okay, banyak pokok. So there were many trees at Hilltown 50 years ago. Okay, and next one, there was a wooden bridge at Hilltown 50 years ago. Okay, wooden bridge. Ini dia. Sekejap. Ini wooden bridge. Okay, jambatan kayu. Okay, sekarang tak ada jambatan kayu lagi. Okay, it was only 50 years ago. So again, only one, satu sahaja. So we use the word was. So there was a wooden bridge at Hilltown 50 years ago. Okay, kalau kita tidak lihat gambar, kita tahu dia satu saja dengan melihat ataupun mencari perkataan a. Okay, the word a means one. Okay, singular. Okay, yang tadi itu kita nak tulis apa yang terdapat. Okay, now we are going to use the words or the phrase there wasn't or there weren't. Okay, which mean tidak ada ataupun tidak terdapat. Okay, there wasn't or there weren't. Okay, let's look at this one. There wasn't any restaurant at Hilltown 50 years ago. So tengok gambar ini. Is there any restaurant? No restaurant, right? Tak ada kedai makan. So we use the word wasn't, right? Wasn't. There wasn't means tiada. There wasn't any restaurant at Hilltown 50 years ago. Okay, if you look at the word any, I mean normally we use together with the word wasn't. Okay, there wasn't any restaurant. Okay, tiada, langsung tiada kedai makan. Right? There wasn't any. Remember, we say there wasn't any. Alright, there wasn't any restaurant. Satu pun tiada. Okay, next, there weren't many flowers at Hilltown 50 years ago. So again, look at 50 years. Okay, 50 tahun yang lalu. ada bunga. There were flowers, but not many. Tidak banyak. Okay, as compared to now. Okay, so there weren't. Okay, tidak banyak. Okay, tidak ada banyak flowers. Kenapa we use weren't? Sebab ini adalah plural. Okay, plural, lebih daripada satu. Tengok dalam gambar ini dia lebih daripada satu. So we use weren't. Okay, alright, next. There wasn't any swimming pool in the park 50 years ago. Okay, the swimming pool. Can you spot the swimming pool? Here's the swimming pool. Okay, here the swimming pool. But here, do we have any swimming pool? No, right? Okay, tiada. So we use there wasn't any swimming pool in the park 50 years ago. Okay, wasn't any. Okay, langsung tiada. Sebuah swimming pool pun tiada. So we use wasn't. Okay, there wasn't any swimming pool in the park 50 years ago. Okay, again, yang tiada dilepas apa? Yang tiada pada 50 tahun yang lepas. Yes, train. Okay, there's no train here. There wasn't any train. So we can say there wasn't any train 50 years ago. Wasn't, again, any. Okay, selalunya any dan wasn't itu dia kawan baik. Okay, so there wasn't any train 50 years ago. Okay, if you look at this pattern, dia punya apa tu? Pattern ayat. There wasn't any. Okay, wasn't any. Kalau ada biasanya ada perkataan any ni, dia kawan baik dengan wasn't. Okay, which mean singular noun. Alright, so kalau lebih pada satu, we use weren't. Okay, of course you need to compare these two pictures. Baru kita tahu apa yang ada dulu, apa yang tiada dahulu. Okay, and this will be your task for today. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks with correct answer. Okay, you're going to fill in was, were, wasn't, weren't. Okay, so you need to compare these two pictures. Okay, bandingkan dua gambar ini, lepas tu isi tempat kosong. Okay, I will show you an example. Teacher akan tunjukkan contoh. Okay, supaya murid-murid lebih faham macam mana nak buat latihan ini. Okay, for example, there toy shops at restaurant 50 years ago. Okay, 50 years ago, 50 tahun yang lepas. Okay, ini dia. So, toy shops and restaurant. Dua benda. Okay, dua. So, toy shop and restaurant. So, it is plural. Okay, sebab dua benda disebut dalam ayat ini. So, plural. Tapi sama ada were ataupun were. Okay, mana satu kita nak pilih? Okay, kita tengok gambar dua ini, toy shop dan restaurant. Ada tak dalam gambar ini? Ada kan? Ya, toy shop and restaurant. So kalau ada ataupun terdapat, mana satu maksud dia? Yes, were. So you write here, there were toy shops and restaurant 50 years ago. Okay, for the next sentence, you do the same. Okay, there any supermarket in the past. Past maksudnya yang sudah lalu. Okay, masa lalu. Okay, yang sudah berlalu. So in the past. So look at this one again. Okay, so is there any supermarket? Okay, so you think about it. Fikirkan dulu. Okay, cari, fahamkan, baru pilih dan tuliskan jawapan kamu. Okay, sudah siap? Semak jawapan kamu. Semak ejaan. Okay, terutama yang ada apostrophe. Okay, pastikan apostrophe itu di tempat yang betul. Okay, so you have 6 questions for you to answer. Okay, that is all class. Thank you and bye.